Hey everyone, how are you? It's Craig here on Mad Hatter Adventure. I'm going to bring another unboxing to you today. So today's unboxing is from the company called American Barber, and it is the Clipmaster Cordless. Okie dokie. So let's get into this. Premium carbon steel blades, adjustable taper lever, powerful 7,000 RPM rotary motor, constant speed technology, heavy duty, lightweight, powerful rotary clipper, designed with high quality carbon steel blades for all hair types. Can be adjusted to zero gap, perfect for fading, precision cutting, blending and bulk removal. Lithium Ion Battery, a LED battery level display, cord and cordless use. Okay, so there's a picture of the blue lights there for your LED display. It comes with 8 comb attachments. What else is on there? Okay, let's crack it open, eh? Alright. Pretty well boxed. Get it open. There we go. Okay, we've got here little instructions. Put them in your file. Little brush. Lucky that wasn't the clipper. Whoa. In the box. Wow. That's a first. Little oil we don't need. Nice blue comb. And over there. And here is the cord. Australian use cord. I'm sure if you buy them in another country, it'll come with your own country's adapter, power adapter. Oh yeah, don't mind these attachments. They've got a metal piece on there, as you can see. Comes with a clipper cover. I always return the clipper cover after I use them. It keeps the blades nice and looked after. Okay, and clean. Let's just put this on the clipper straight away. Wow, that's a tight fit. I like that, and that clips right in the back, right underneath, as you can see there. Can you see? Easy to take off. Alright, so here's the clipper by American Barber, called the Clipmaster. Put my chair a bit closer. Okay. There's the side. They're actually quite really light and tiny, like easy. I haven't got big hands, so yeah, they've actually got a nice hand grip on the bottom there, as you can see as well. Don't know why my camera keeps flickering and falling, but anyway, I have it when you record live. Got a nice sound to them. The sound, you know, a powerful sound, because that's where that 7,000 RPM comes in, eh? The rotary, it's a rotary engine put in a Mazda. Okay, it's got a little holder there as well. They're very tapered in, as you can see, compared to your the wall there. The wall, the American Barber. the wall. Okay, here we are. So this has got a bit of weight in it, these wall seniors. This is just full plastic case, there's no metal in it. Probably a bit more like here's some wall 5-star magics. About the same weight as your 5-star magics, your gold version. Yeah, so definitely I like how it's got the LED display there, showing you how much battery you've got left. I like that. Be nice if other clippers had it, like these, like your Wolves. Here's got the Barberless here. These are the Barber edition, special edition Barber ones. Again, these are a bit heavier than these. These are like a dumbbell. This is like a mini dumbbell. Okay. Nice colour, like a carbon, almost like a greyish carbon fibre colour. And the lever is nice and smooth. There's no like hardness to it or jolting to it. So it's kind of a bit lever more like the wall lever. Doesn't have a imprint where you can section. Yeah, I'll give them a go. And you just got these in, and they were let's see, quickly. They were I think they're about 100 and can't tell you their single price because I bought them in a pack with another one that I'm going to do another video on. I think they are around the 190 area, something like that, 170 to 90. Okay, so in the pack they cost me around $314 in the pack of 2. Okay, so there will be another clipper coming with it. It's a trimmer actually. Okay, there we go, the sound check. Okay, up against the wall magic, also up against the wall senior. So the American Barber, wall senior, and the Barberless. Sound check against the Barberless. Your FX there. Again, this is the FX Barber edition. Okay. And I'll put an attachment back on. See what they sound like with the attachment. There's no vibration with the attachment or anything, because the attachment's quite, like I said, it's quite well fitted. Okay, and it comes with 8 attachments, so that's really good as well. Not many do that, like the Barberless don't come with any, which is quite annoying for the price that they are. So I'm glad that these Clipmasters have. Again, they feel nice and light. So anyway, I'll come back to you in a couple of weeks' time with a conclusion on these. On the back of the blade there, it actually says American Barber as well. On the back of the blade. Yeah. Anyway, all right. Merry Christmas. Stay safe. And that was the quick opening of the American Barber clippers. Okay, called Clipmaster Cordless. Okay, all right. Catch you later. enjoy, take care, see you later. If you like these videos, don't forget, subscribe, like, press the bell for any more that come up. Alright, catch us later. All the best. See yous.